Today we'll prepare Hyderabadi dum chicken biryani. I'll walk you through the ingredients. First we'll see chicken marination. Mint leaves, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, grounded masala which includes sajeera, lachi, clove and cinnamon. 300 grams curd, 1 kg chicken, 1.5 spoon chili powder, 2 spoons coriander powder and half spoon turmeric. Salt taste, 3 spoons of oil, lemon juice, ghee, bay leaves and green chilies. Let's see the ingredients for preparing rice. 1 kg basmati rice, bay leaves, clove, ilachi and cinnamon. Food color, onions to garnish. Let's start the chicken marination. Take a pot, add 1 kg chicken, spread it well, add curd, add ginger garlic paste, add salt, add bay leaves, green chilies, add mint leaves, add a little bit of coriander leaves, grounded masala which consists of sajeera, ilachi, clove and cinnamon. Add 3 spoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of ghee, add lemon juice extracted from 2 lemons of medium sized, add 2 spoons of coriander powder, 1.5 spoon of chili powder and half spoon of turmeric. Now we'll mix all the ingredients together. Now the ingredients are mixed well. We'll keep it aside for 2 hours. Take a kadai, add finely chopped onions, add a teaspoon of ghee and a spoon of salt. Saute it well until it turns golden brown. Now the crispy onions are ready. Now we'll cook the rice. Take a pot, add enough water, add washed basmati rice, add bay leaves, cinnamon, add cloves, add ilachi, add mint leaves, and a little bit of coriander leaves. Add a spoon of ghee, add 2 spoons of oil, add salt for taste. Here I am adding 2 spoons of salt. You can add as per your requirement. We'll cook the rice in high flame. In meanwhile, we'll cook the chicken in another stove. We'll also check the rice, stir it once Cook the rice for 10 minutes. Now the rice has been cooked. Chicken is also getting cooked. Let's drain the water from the rice. Add the rice to the cooked chicken. Add the food color. Color you can either mix with water or milk. In order to make sure the steam does not come out, we'll close the gap between the lid and the pot with wheat dough, like the way you make for rotis. Now the lid is being completely sealed with dough. We'll place a hot water on the top of it. You can either place charcoal too. Ideally, the biryani should be cooked in steam. Once the sealed dough breaks, switch off the stove. Keep it to rest for 1.5 hours. It's been 1.5 hours now. We'll remove the dough from the sides and open the lid. It's time to garnish with fried onions, a little bit of coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mix the entire quantity. Mix properly so that the spices and the rice get blended together well. Now it's mixed well. We'll transfer to a serving container. Wow, yummy Hyderabadi dum chicken biryani is ready to be served. Please try it out at home and let me know through your comments. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.